Venus Cloud Media System Tutorial. Welcome to the Venus Cloud Media System tutorial video. We will explore how to efficiently manage LED display clusters, making operations simple, efficient, and secure. With the widespread application of LED displays across various industries, the business scope of display operators continues to expand. Traditional operation models can no longer meet modern demands. Hence, the launch of the Venus Cloud Media System by Chroma LED, a solution that enables remote centralized monitoring and management of LED displays. The Venus Cloud Media System facilitates content publishing across various platforms: PCs, Macs, Linux, Android phones, and iPads. It is compatible with a range of hardware architectures, including LED and LCD screens. The system boasts visual editing capabilities, online scheduling, publishing updates, and offline content playback. It also includes an extensive cloud-based material library, user management, and round-the-clock cloud monitoring. Login interface. Access the CMS platform at venuscn.chromode.net. To access the CMS platform, after logging in, you can switch languages. In the upper right corner, unregistered users, click on Register and complete the registration information. Then log in with the registered account. Other users can log in with the account allocated by the administrator. System homepage. After logging in, enter the main interface. Switch languages. Click your avatar to open Personal Center and modify your avatar and password. Click Disk Management to view device number, available time, and cloud storage. Device Management. On the homepage, you can see device, media, monitoring, administration, and log management modules. Click Device to view your device list. You can see the number of devices bound to the account, and the expire date and last login time of the bound devices. Click More. You will first see an overview of the device, including the hardware code, IP, and program schedule, etc. In Device Control, we can perform remote restarts of the playback devices, mainly to deal with some unexpected situations on site, such as frozen display screens. We can restart the device, restart the device, app restart the device's player app. Click Real-Time Image to preview screens. Click Go Back to go back to the device interface. Next to More is Unbind function. Click Unbind to unbind devices. Device Binding. Click Unbounded to view unbounded devices. Users can find the corresponding device based on the device hardware code. Click on Binding, and then add a duration to complete the binding. Media Management. The general process of video content publishing. Upload materials to the cloud server. Called at any time in the future. Select materials from the cloud to create a playlist, and add the playlist to the calendar schedule. Set the playback period for the playlist, and finally publish the schedule to the device. Material upload. Under Media, click Library. Then click Add New. Select Upload Files. Then upload videos or pictures. Select Local Material, click Open. Lower right corner shows the upload progress. Breakpoint resumption is supported. That is, if the material upload is interrupted due to a disconnection, the platform can save the current upload progress and continue uploading after reconnecting, after the upload and administrator's approval. Displayed in the library. Program Production. Under the Media function area, click on Program, then click New. Choose Template pop-up, click on Default. Complete the playlist information on the right. Fill in the program name, and set the screen dimensions. The screen size should be consistent with the actual width and height pixel points of the LED display. If you need to play in separate windows, you can edit in the layout list. Click on Add Area to add a new window. Then edit the window size and XY axis position. Set the window layout. Click Playlist next to Layout. Enter the playlist editing page. On the left side, select Window 1 or Window 2. Then click on Add. Select the material. The same steps apply for the other window. After editing, click on Save. Schedule. Click on Schedule. And again click on Add. Enter the schedule in the list on the left. Drag and drop the playlist into it. Double-click the playlist. Pop up the editing box. First set play time. Then select the repeat method. No repetition means playing only for one day. Every week allows you to choose which day of the week to play. Every month is for setting which day of the month to play. Next, set the start date and end date, which should be set according to the user's needs. Finally, click Save in the upper right corner. Fill in the schedule name. Schedule publishing. Go back to schedule page. Check the schedules that need to be published. Then click Send. Select Devices and click on Confirm. After send successful, the device will play it automatically. Intercut. Intercut is generally understood as an emergency event. It requires urgent notification. But on the information content publishing platform, it is more about advertising content that needs to be temporarily inserted and played. The priority of intercut is higher than schedule. Covering the content of schedule, the steps for publishing intercut are basically the same as schedule. First click on intercut, then select Add, and choose the material. The stop schedule option should be set to yes. If set to no, there may be two voices playing at the same time. That is, the content of schedule and intercut play simultaneously. Insertion rule and duration settings are the same as schedule. Administration. Administration can be roughly divided into management administration and system administration. Management administration includes devices, media, monitoring, work groups, and log management. System administration includes user, role, and approval. Administrator can add roles, assign different permissions to each role. For division of labor, these roles are assigned to sub-users when add them. System administration is allocated by editing the user information of sub-users. Role. If an administrator wants to create a sub-user, we must first create a role. We click on Role in Administration, then click on Add in the upper right corner. Enter the administration allocation editing interface. First, name the role, then check the administration you want to assign below, and click Save in the upper right corner after completion. Users. Open the user interface, click on Add. Complete the information of user, assign roles. The group defaults to System Working Group. And finally click on Confirm. We click on the Edit button behind the user to enter the user details page. In the basic information, we can modify the user's password, email and mobile phone, and also enable or forbidden the sub-user account. Click on Permissions to assign system administrations to sub-users. Check the administrations and save. Approval. Approvals involve reviewing the materials uploaded by sub-users. Click on Pending to see the materials waiting for review. They will only be displayed in the material library after being reviewed and approved by an administrator or sub-user with auditing permissions. For materials that have been approved, click on the Reset button behind them. The materials will return to the pending audit area, waiting for reapproval. Work groups. Work groups are divided into Public Resource Group and System Working Group. Under the System Work Group, secondary or tertiary work groups can be created. We can assign users, devices, and materials to specified work groups. Each sub-user can view the devices and materials of their own work group, including the subordinate work groups, but cannot view the devices and materials of peer work groups or the higher level work group. For example, a sub-user of work group A1 can view work groups A1, secondary work group, and A2, tertiary work group, but cannot view the devices and materials of work group B1 and its subordinate work groups, and the system work group of the higher level of A1. Log management. Operation log mainly record the changes made by users when performing various types of operations on the platform. Play log records the start and stop times of programs. Statistics record the number of times materials and playlists are played. All three types of log records can be quickly searched at the top of the page by conditions through the filter function. Troubleshooting. Bounded device is displayed as offline. Check if the device is powered on and connected to the network properly. It will affect the device's display of offline or online status on the platform. The player app shows it cannot connect to the server. Check if the server IP address and port set in the player settings are correct. Display screen shows the program window position shifted. Check error in the XY position of the program window. The display screen does not show program content, and the upper left corner shows the schedule has no programs. The playtime of the program has expired, or the program is not within the set playtime period. Display screen shows the Android interface, not playing programs. If the player app is not running, simply restart and run it. If it cannot be operated on-site, try to restart the device remotely. The program is published to the device, but the device cannot play it. It may be due to unsupported material formats in the library. Check if the material format is supported. Remote preview of the device's live screen shows a blank interface. It may be due to network problems, causing the preview screen to fail to load or load slowly. After a sub-user logs into the platform, the online device list and materials in the library cannot be found. The sub-user account has not been assigned the corresponding operation permissions, or the sub-user's work group does not have devices and materials. After assigning operation permissions to a sub-user account on the platform, the sub-user account shows no operation permissions. The sub-user account can log into the platform again. After a sub-user uploads materials, the materials cannot be seen in library. The sub-user does not have material auditing permissions. After the approval of the administrator, will they be displayed in the material library, or the administrator can assign auditing permissions to the sub-user account. Frequently asked questions. How many devices can a user bind at most? Currently, an account can bind up to 10 devices. Can the brightness of the display screen be adjusted remotely? Currently, it is not possible. What are the effects after the device expires? Can the display screen still play content? New program cannot be sent to the device, but existing programs can be played. How to renew the play time after the device expires? Log into the device's management account and reassign the duration on the device management page. If the account's available duration is insufficient, contact the salesperson to renew and purchase duration. What types of materials does the platform support uploading? Currently, the platform supports uploading audio, video, images, documents, web pages, RSS, streaming media, and text. What formats of materials are supported? Audio, MP3, WAV, FLAC, etc. Images, JPEG, BMP, GIF, PNG, TIFF, etc. Video, MP4, AVI, MOV, MKV, FLV, WinWM, 3GP, etc., documents or PDF. Is there a limit to the size of uploaded materials? How large is the cloud storage capacity? Uploaded materials must not exceed 500 megabytes, and the storage space for an account is 3 gigabytes. Can the device continue to play after disconnecting from the network? Offline playback is supported because the program has been downloaded locally. Does Venus support publishing programs to multiple devices at the same time? It supports distribution to multiple devices at the same time, or individual device. When new program is sent to the device, where does the old program go? After the new program published successfully, it will automatically replace the old program. Thank you for watching.